There's a place in Truckee where the Sierra isn't just a backdrop, it's your backyard. Elements of ColdStream is a brand new mountain modern community built for people who want to actually live the life they came here for, not spend weekends catching up on an aging property. This is where new construction meets open space, and everything that makes Truckee, Tahoe worth owning in. From the moment you arrive, the community has a calm, grounded feeling. The streets are quiet, the homes are thoughtfully placed, and the natural landscape gives the neighborhood a sense of privacy without feeling remote. This mountain modern community was designed for people who want the mountain lifestyle without the constant work that can come with older properties. Instead of taking on renovation projects, you can step into a new home that is finished, functional, and ready to enjoy. With exterior maintenance handled through the Homeowners Association, from landscaping and snow removal to ongoing exterior care like staining, ownership here is designed to feel easier from the start. Essentially, this is a mountain ownership made simpler, a home that gives you access to the outdoors, proximity to town, and the comfort of new construction in one of Truckee's most naturally beautiful locations. One of the greatest advantages of this location is how naturally it connects you to the best of Truckee. Historic downtown is close by, with restaurants, coffee shops, breweries, boutiques, local events, and the charm that makes the mountain town so special. You can spend the day outside, meet friends for dinner, walk through town, and still return home to a quiet neighborhood surrounded by nature. That balance is what makes this place so compelling. It gives you the feeling of a retreat without disconnecting you from the community around you. For those who love Donner Lake, this location puts one of Truckee's most iconic outdoor destinations within easy reach. Mornings can begin on the water, afternoons can be spent alongside the shoreline, and summer evenings can end with a quiet drive back through the mountains. The beauty of owning here is how much it gives you without requiring a complicated plan. That is one of the quiet luxuries of this setting. The best parts of Truckee, Tahoe are not far away. They are close enough to actually use. Back at home, the deck becomes its own destination. It is a place for morning coffee, evening wine, and conversations that stretch a little longer because no one is in a hurry. The indoor and outdoor spaces are designed to work together, giving the home an open, relaxed feeling that fits naturally within the mountain setting. Here, outdoor living is not an extra feature. It is essential to the way the homes are meant to be enjoyed. Inside, the homes are warm, modern, and built for the way mountain life actually works. Open living areas flow into the kitchen, large windows pull in the light and the landscape, and the layouts give you room for guests, gear, work, and the rest without feeling forced. The finishes are clean and timeless. These are homes that feel special the first weekend and still feel right 2 years in. This is what modern mountain living should feel like. Beautiful, practical, low stress, and ready when you are. After a full day outside, the private spaces matter even more. A warm bath, a quiet bedroom, and a calm place to reset are part of what makes the home feel complete. Whether this is your full-time home or your weekend anchor, this community gives you the ease of new construction and the kind of location that makes every season worth looking forward to. Winter brings snow-covered mountains and ski days. Spring opens the trails and brings new life back to the landscape. Summer is for Donner Lake, golf, hiking, biking, and long evenings outside. Fall brings crisp mornings, golden lights, and a quieter pace before winter returns. At the end of the day, Elements of ColdStream is a simpler way to own a Truckee. New construction, thoughtful design, and a location that keeps the best of the Sierra within reach, without the work, maintenance, or headache that usually comes with it. Welcome to Elements of ColdStream, a brand new mountain community designed for the Truckee Tahoe lifestyle you came here to experience.